guys, welcome to my channel. Here is a fan Rimsha Firdaus, the memory queen. Now, look, I am in one of the most beautiful monument of Hyderabad. This is the Tank Bund, and look, you can see a secretary behind me. It's looking so beautiful, and now I am playing a game. The game is all about I will ask some random people some questions about India because this is the month of independence, 15th August. That's what I will ask and see can they able to answer about our country India because we all are Indian here. So let's start. What's your name?
I'm Neeraj.
Okay, so this is our month of independence. So I will ask you some 5 questions about India. So let's see, can you answer?
Sure, I will try.
Okay, so your first question is who designed the Indian national flag?
He's from Telangana. He's from Telugu state only. Some Venkaya Naidu, someone.
Yes, close.
Not sure.
Okay, so his name is Pingali Venkaya.
Correct.
And okay,
I
so
did not get his name.
okay, so your next question is when it designed, in which year, on which date?
Not sure.
Okay, it's designed on 22nd April 1947.
19%. Okay.
Okay, now your next question is who is the president of India?
First president of India. No. Nehru is a prime minister. No. Can I Google? No, I'm not sure. Rajendra Prasad?
Yes, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And your next question is who is the first Prime Minister Lady of India?
Prime Minister lady. Tana parent. No. She's not even Prime Minister. The parent. No, I'm not sure.
She is Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi is first president of Prime Minister. Prime Minister.
Prime Minister Lady.
Prime Minister lady.
Okay. Now your last question is who is the current president of India?
Arey, per gurkat. I'm sorry, I'm not sure.
Okay, she is a lady. A hint for you.
Draupadi Murmu.
Okay, right. Nice to meet you. So now I'm taking the next interview with these girls. So what's your name?
My name is Shweta.
Okay, what's your name?
Rohini.
Okay, I will ask you some questions about India. Okay, will you answer?
We will try our best.
Okay, so your first question is who written our national anthem?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Okay, correct answer. Now your next question is who is the first lady in India to have Nobel Prize?
ఎవరు? Lady Sarojini Naidu.
No, she is a social activist. I mean social worker.
చెప్పవే. Indira Gandhi.
No. Actually, Indira Gandhi is our first Prime Minister lady, not first lady to have Nobel Prize.
ఇంకెవరు?
You don't know? Okay, she is Mother Teresa. So, now your next question is who is the first man in India to have Nobel Prize?
ఫస్ట్ వన్ అబ్దుల్ కలాం.
No, he is our president, 11th president.
నేను అదే చెప్పు. నో ఐడియా.
No idea. He is Ravindranath Tagore. So, your next question is what is the national game of India?
హాకీ.
Okay, it's correct answer. And What is the national fruit of India?
Mango.
Yes, mango. And now your last question is, what is the capital of India?
Delhi.
New Delhi. Yes, correct answer. Congratulations. So she has given all some correct answers. So this is for her. Nice to meet you. Bye. I'm with my another sister. What's your name?
Hema.
So her name is Hema. So I will ask some questions to her. Okay. Hema Didi, do you like to see cricket?
Yeah, of course, but not. I am not. I'm not aware a lot.
Okay, so I will ask you a question about cricket. So, India's World Cup. When India won World First Cup in India, when we won first cup
2007.
in the world,
Okay, world.
no, I am telling you like this. When did India won the first World Cup? In which year? That time the Sachin Tendulkar was Kapil Dev was the captain.
Captain of the India. Okay, I don't remember. So if you give options, I can try.
So you need options. So 1958, 1969, 1983, 1984.
1984. 1983.
1983. So correct answer. The real answer, when we watched was 25 June 1983. Your first answer is correct. Now your next answer is what is the national game of India?
Hockey.
Nice. And who was the first education minister of India?
I don't remember.
Okay, the first education minister of India is Maulana Abul Kalam, not Abdul Kalam. So, who is known as the Iron Man of India?
Abdul Kalam.
No.
I don't know that.
Do you want hint?
Yeah.
He is the friend of Mahatma Gandhi. I mean, best friend. One of the freedom fighter.
Jawaharlal.
No. One more hint.
Yeah.
There is his world biggest statue. His statue is the world biggest statue in the world.
No.
You don't. The answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So he is known as the Iron Man of India too. And do you know the biggest statue, world biggest statue? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's statue is the world biggest statue of unity. So where it is situated? In which?
Delhi.
No.
Statue of Unity. Unity. ఎక్కడ ఢిల్లీ కాదండి గుజరాత్ గుజరాత్
Yes, the correct answer is Gujarat because he belongs from Gujarat. So, and who is the first Prime Minister Lady of India?
Prime Minister lady. Will you cut that in between? You will cut, no? Like while uploading.
No, I'm asking your answer. First answer.
First Prime Minister, female Prime Minister. Indira Gandhi.
Yeah, the correct answer is Indira Gandhi.
Two questions asking.
Okay, so you have given the correct answer. Amazing. She has given all the correct answer except 2, 1 or 2. So there is a gift for you. Take.
Thank you.
All the correct answers. And nice to meet you. So I have asked many people about our country. So they have given all the correct answers except 1 or 2. So now I will ask some other peoples, and I got it one more. I will ask him. Let's go. Excuse me, bro. What's your name?
Okay, Aswin Sai,
You're from which class?
9th class.
So I will ask some questions. This is our month of independence. So I will ask you some questions about India. Will you answer?
Yes.
Okay. Now your first question is, when did Indian flag get designed? Don't know? Okay. The answer is 22 April 1947. So, can you tell me where is the world's biggest statue situated?
India, Gujarat.
Okay. The statue is whose
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Okay. Now, can you tell me what is the name of the statue?
Statue of Unity.
Oh, all answers are quick. He is giving very quick answers. Now, your last question is, who is the first India's education minister?
Don't know.
Don't know. Education minister first. He is Maulana Abul Kalam. And who is the 11th president of India?
Don't know.
Okay. Now I will ask you the last question. Who is the current 2025 president of India?
Draupadi Murmu.
Okay. You have given half of the correct answers. So this is for you as a gift. And nice to meet you. So guys, now I have asked many people about our country India and they have answered correctly except some hard answers they cannot answer. So I am very happy because they are appreciating me a lot and saying me good, and I am gonna ask many people here because it is a good place. All are answering me and allowing me to take a video. So I will ask many people here. I have got it one more people to take interview. So let's start. What's your name?
Advait.
And what's your?
Shivani.
So I will ask them questions about India. Are you ready?
Yeah, sure.
So your first question is, who is known as the father of Indian Constitution?
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Okay, correct answer. And what is the total length of Indian flag?
Total length.
Not able to exactly recollect the length.
There is ratio, right? Some 3:4.
Yeah, close, but the real is 3/2. And who is the first president of India?
Dr.
Rajendra
Yeah.
Yes, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And now current?
Draupadi Murmu.
Draupadi.
Yeah, correct. She is a lady.
Yeah, she's a lady.
And who is the prime minister?
Jawaharlal
Jawaharlal.
Nehru.
Lady prime.
Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi.
Okay, awesome. They are giving a quick answers. So I didn't accept with them. So I'm very, very happy. So this is for you guys
Thank you very much.
as a gift.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
My name is Ramsha Firdaus. It is my passion to catch random people and ask questions with them.
Great.
Nice. Keep it up, Ramsha.
Thank you for your compliments. So now guys, I got in a beautiful view. Look at these pigeons. Such a beautiful view, and I love pigeons. They are my favorite bird. Agree. So what's your name?
Deepika.
Okay, Deepika, Miss Deepika Didi. I will ask you some questions about India. This is a month of independence, so I will ask you some questions. Will you answer?
Okay.
So, what is the state game of Telangana?
I may be. Telangana sports game anta. నాకేంటి తెలంగాణ స్పోర్ట్స్ గేమ్ మన రేపి
తెలంగాణ
I don't know.
అలాగే మైక్
I don't know.
Don't know. The sport game of Telangana is kabaddi. And we are in Telangana, Hyderabad. So I will ask some questions about Telangana only. So, what is the Telangana's flower?
తెలంగాణ ఫ్లేవర్ కూడానా
Flower.
ఇండియా అది మరి మాది ఏపీ తంగేడి తంగేడి
Yeah, correct answer. That's Tangedu. And what is the national reptile of India?
రెప్టైల్ అంట స్నేక్
It's snake. But what's the name of the snake?
కింగ్ కోబ్రా
Yeah, awesome. Correct answer. King Cobra. National mammal of India?
పికాక్
No, it's it's bird, not mammal.
మెమ్మల్ బాడ్కా అంట నెమ్మల్ అంట అడవుంటున్నావు
Don't know. The national mammal of India is elephant. And what is the national fish of India?
ఫిష్
Dolphin? Yeah, it's correct answer. Well done. It's dolphin. And your last question is, what is the fish of Telangana state? National, Telangana state fish. What?
ఫెస్టివలా
Fish. Telangana's fish.
తెలంగాణ ఫిష్ దాన్ని ఏమంటారు
బలగల్
Marhal. Yeah, it's Marhal. Wow, great job. You have given all of right answer only. So this is for you as a gift. And nice to meet you. She has given very all right answers. So guys, look, here is the statue of Tanisha. He is known as Tanisha and his name also Tanisha. Look how beautiful they made the statue, and look this scenery. The beauty of Tangbond, Hyderabad. How the beautiful place is. I love this place before and now also I love this place. And that the who statue there, he belongs from Tanisha means he belongs to Telangana only. And now look, I'm gonna ask one more person. I will take their interview in my vlog. So let's go. So guys, look at these trees. So guys, I'm here to eat pani puri because every girl in the world cannot live without pani puri. So I'm gonna eat. Now he is readying the pani puri. Smells so nice. And here the vada pav. Now guys, those who will become in my video, they will be last. After this we will go home and I will end my vlog. So let's find out the person who is the luckiest, who will be he or she a luckiest person. Let's find out. Now I got it one more person for person. So let's take his test. So what's your name?
My name is Riyansh.
From which class are you?
I am from grade 3C.
Okay. And from which school?
Kairos Global School.
Okay. I will ask you some questions. Will you answer?
Yeah.
Okay. So actually he is only in third class. So we'll ask a simple questions to him. So can you tell me who written the national anthem?
Who wrote the national anthem?
Do you don't know?
No.
Okay. He is Ravindranath Tagore. Remember. Okay. Now what is the national flower of India?
Lotus.
Okay. We are in now Telangana, Hyderabad. So I will ask you about Telangana one question. What is the flower of Telangana state?
I don't know.
Okay, it's Tangedu. So what is the national fish of India?
National fish. I don't know.
Okay, it's dolphin. Okay, remember. And what is the national national game of India?
Hockey.
National fruit?
Mango.
National tree?
Banyan tree.
Oh, very quick. And National animal?
Tiger.
National bird?
Peacock.
Wow, well done. Awesome. You have given very quick answers. Nice to meet you. Good boy. He has given very quick answer and such a cute boy because he is just in 3rd class. Guys, I found the history of Hussain Sagar, which is this. Like this sea known as the Hussain Sagar. Look at this. How big is it? And I found here the history of this too. Guys, the Hussain Sagar is very interesting place for all the people of the world. It is very historical and interesting place full of enjoyment, and there is very parks named like Lumni Park, etc. So, but it's not time to like explore. I have explored this in explore Tang Bund in my another vlog, so please see this because I have uploaded that on YouTube.